Hello and welcome to another episode of Tuesday Seeds. Today, Uriah Israel will be sharing with us how collecting rainwater can really assist us and benefit us on our farms and in our gardens. So please stay tuned.
Hey, this is Uriah Israel one more time. And so while I was planting my sweet potatoes, something came to my mind. It said I need to talk about this. And that is, as we know, the last couple of, like about a week and a half ago, we had a lot of rain come through. And so we have to get in the habit of harvesting rainwater. We talked about seeds and all kind of compost and everything else, but there is no green without blue, which is the water. And so when you have an opportunity to gather rainwater, you want to do it. If you have a gutter system around your house, you can harvest it from your roof. I know some places they say it's illegal and all kind of things, but you want to gather rainwater because there's nothing better than rainwater. Okay, this is a molasses bucket that I used. And I'm using this water right here to plant my sweet potatoes. You can look inside this bucket and see a whole bunch of water in here. And so I'm using this to plant my sweet potatoes. I'm not using the city water. I'm not using well water. I'm using water that came from the sky. The Almighty sent it down, and I'm making sure I take full advantage of it. You need to too, right? If you have buckets, if you have molasses buckets, be sure to gather the rain water. This is a big thing. Most of Texas is in a drought situation, and you want to be aware that when rain is forecasted, you want to have some way that you can gather this rainwater. It's invaluable. It's better than anything that comes out of your tap, okay? The water that comes from the city has chlorine, fluoride, and a bunch of other chemicals that they might not be telling us about. But at the same time, even your well water has impurities in it. Rainwater is pure. Comes out the sky, and it's even better when there's a little bit of lightning and thunder. So when you have an opportunity to, you want to gather rainwater. This is what I'm using to gather it with right here is this big molasses bucket. And so this is just one of them, and you want to use these when you can, okay? So yeah, get in the habit of collecting rainwater. All right.